You can find anyone's LinkedIn information, email address, and phone number using their name and company name. Click on the first link in the video description. This will redirect you to Link Finder AI. Switch to the Link Finder AI website tab. Here you can create an account for free by clicking on Start Free Trial. Once you have created a free account, you are granted some free credits that you can use in the tool to find anyone's contact information from LinkedIn. Click on Name plus Company LinkedIn URL to start finding the lead's LinkedIn profile link. Enter the lead's first name. Enter the lead's full name. Click on the Company Name field to enter the lead's company. Enter the lead's company name. Click Enrich Data to find the lead's LinkedIn URL. Click the lead's LinkedIn profile URL obtained from the enrichment. Click Select Data Type to choose the type of data you want to enrich, such as company name, company domain, email address, or LinkedIn company URL. Fill in the data type selection to specify the information you want to retrieve. Click Select Output Type to choose the format of the output, such as LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address. Fill in the output type selection to define the desired output format. Click Enter LinkedIn profile URL to input the profile link for data enrichment. Fill in the LinkedIn profile URL you obtained earlier. Click Enrich Data to retrieve the lead's LinkedIn information. Click the lead's profile details including name, job title, and location. Click Select Output Type to choose the data format for the next enrichment. Fill in the output type selection to specify the desired data format. Click Enrich Data to retrieve additional lead information. Click Profile Data Found to view the lead's phone number and LinkedIn profile. Click Select Output Type to choose the data format for the next enrichment. Fill in the output type selection to specify the desired data format. Click Enrich Data to retrieve the lead's contact information. Click Profile Data Found to view the lead's email address and LinkedIn profile. Click Upload CSV Bulk to enrich multiple leads at once. Click Select File to choose your CSV file containing lead data. Click here to upload your CSV file for bulk processing. Click Process 137 items to start enriching data for all leads in the CSV. Click Export to download the enriched data as a CSV file. Click API Access to manage programmatic data retrieval options. Click View API Docs to see the available API endpoints and usage instructions. Click B2B Data Lookup to find API calls for data enrichment. Click Find a person's LinkedIn URL from their full name and company to view the API details. Click the curl command example for the lead full name to LL API call. Click Lead Full Name to LinkedIn Media URL to view the API endpoint details. Click Post LinkedIn Profile to Email Sync to find a person's professional email address from their LinkedIn profile URL. Click the curl command example for the LinkedIn Profile TMAL API call. Click Find a person's professional email address from their LinkedIn profile URL to view API details. Click Find a person's phone number from their LinkedIn profile URL to view API details. Click the curl command example for the LinkedIn Profile to OPhone API call. Click LinkedIn Profile to view the API endpoint details. Click LinkedIn Profile to LinkedIn Info to view the API for full LinkedIn profile data. Click the curl command to check API status repeatedly until the data retrieval is complete.